I just came over here to the property after we've had some warm weather after a lot of snowfall. So figured this would be the best time to see how we did on our drainage ditch. I'm out of breath now, excuse me. I just walked the whole length of it to check everything out. Everything looks really good. So this thing's really flowing right now. This is about probably the maximum it'll ever see. It's usually anywhere from bone dry to trickle of water going through it, but after heavy rainfall or a lot of snow melt, this thing gets moving pretty good. So some of it's sort of been washing away the silt like I expected. I'm getting into a quicksand over here. I knew this was going to happen. Extremely muddy. Oh yeah, I'm losing my spot. Okay, almost lost me for a second there. So here's a little spot where it's kind of washing out. We'll just fill that with a little bit of stone to keep it from eroding away, but the rest of it is working great. It's doing the job. It's ending up in the other ditch that's all the way at the end there, so it's going as expected. I'm actually just going to take the drone out now and fly down this thing, just get some cool footage of it and around the pad. And if you haven't seen our other videos of what we've been doing over here at the property, go ahead and check those out. We're building a house, so we're doing a lot of site work over here. We had to relocate this ditch about 30 feet over from the existing spot. So this is what we ended up with in the spring. We're going to be ready to build a home down there. This is our new driveway that we filled in, dug out all the topsoil, filled it with some nice base here. We'll box this out, put some stone in it as soon as the weather, so it's getting a little better, and then we're good to build. So if you haven't seen our other videos, go check those out. Lots of other cool videos that we will be posting for the entire build of the house. So if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, give this video a thumbs up. We'll see you guys on the next one.